Now let's go to more systemic issues of why these insertions happened in the first place. Any reforms being considered by the House so that this will be prevented?
Well, right now, the first thing that the House did, no, is to implement reforms in the budget process or in the crafting of the General Appropriations Bill. No, we have already invited civil society groups, no, to be observers in the process. Everything, wala na po tayong sinasabing small committee because even during the BICAM, magkakaroon din ng transparency dyan. No? I'm sure we will welcome also the presence of some observers, especially in the BICAM. Or should there be a bicameral conference committee debate?
But this new, this budget that you already approved is not free also from allegations that there may have been insertions because the practice is even before it's submitted to the House, the NEP, pinakialaman na po ng mga congressman. How do we know na hindi nangyari ito?
Well, in fairness, ladies, no, hindi po pinakialaman pa ng the budget under the National Expenditure Program is submitted to the House, no? And it is presumed that when they submit the National Expenditure Program, ang nag-submit po niyan, yung mga ahensya ng ating gobyerno.
Actually, what we were referring to is this, what they call allocable or allocable funds na sineset aside na for the congressmen to play around with. This was acknowledged by most of the resource persons in the Senate Blue Ribbon Committee.
Yes, yeah, I know. I heard about the statements made by these resource persons. And let me assure you, ladies, that hindi po lahat ng congressman ay alam po yan, no? We have our district engineers in our respective congressional districts will submit, no, those projects that is required or that is requested by our municipal mayors, our barangay captains, and we submit this, and the district engineer submits this to the Regional Development Council for validation. And kung merong endorsement ito from RDC, it will now go to the agency. If it is a DPWH infra project, the DPWH will now include this in their list to be submitted and to be written in the National Expenditure Program. So ganun po yung proseso. Kung meron man pong may nagsisingit dyan o meron mang siguro ilan-ilan lamang, no? But I'm not really very sure about that, ladies. So I'm sorry, I cannot verify and validate that.